Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your GitHub account to n8n step by step, so you can automate actions like creating files, managing repositories, and more. This method is quick and works for everyone, so let's get into it. First, open n8n in your browser. Once you're inside your workflow, click on the plus icon to add a new node. In the search bar, type GitHub, then select GitHub from the list. Now you'll see different actions you can choose from. For this example, select Create a File, but you can choose any action depending on what you want to automate. Next, look for the Credentials section. Click Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Now click Connect My Account. A GitHub authorization window will pop up. Here, GitHub will show you the permissions that n8n needs to access your account. Simply review them and click Authorize Integration. Once that's done, the window will close automatically and you'll see a message confirming that the connection was successful. Your GitHub credentials are now created and connected to n8n. From here, you can configure the node however you like and start building your automation workflow. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.